and where it is played.
Center for Management Studies offers 2-year full-time specialized industry-focused MBA programs to cater to the needs of skilled and trained manpower of the industry. The kind of computer skills that Acharya Moribhai Patel Institute of Computer Studies imparts to its students has made all the students stand out in the growing competition in this field. The R&D lab for research and development is one of its kind, where the bright minds are kept on a test of their intellect and motivated to come up with something new. The institute offers programs like MCA. The Master of Business Administration MBA program has an approval from AICTE. The Department of Computer Science is developed looking forward to the present and future needs of the computer industry and the service sector. The institute offers courses like MSc CS, MSc CA and IT, MSc IT and MCM.
Department of Computer Science is offering conventional programs like MSc Computer Science, MSc CA and IT, MSc IT. But along with these conventional programs, we are also offering the specialization program to meet the industrial requirement along with the academic collaboration with the industry. Mobile application is one area, another area is IT IMS, because in both of these areas, lot of demand is coming from the industry. We are giving training for all the platforms in mobile applications like BlackBerry, Apple, Android, Linux and Windows for creating the applications for different mobiles, as well as a lot of requirements are coming because of the growth of BPO, KPO and telecom industry. So server management and network infrastructure management is growing with the very rapid rate, and to manage all these infrastructure, the specialization program which is going to create the experts required in this area is the IT IMS, which is IT Infrastructure Management Services.
Our college is regularly conducting the industrial training and workshops so that our college students can regularly get aware of the current industrial scenario. Our college has also signed MOUs with the big companies like Oracle and SAP. The faculties from that company train us, and so that we can easily get the jobs in that companies and other companies as well.
I am really grateful to this institute for their teaching methods, which has made us more skillful in various ways.
The university has set up a Center for International Alliances, through which it has entered into agreements with renowned universities like Victoria University, Australia, Kaplan Business School, Australia and Penn State University, USA, just to name a few.
The aim of the university is to provide an international exposure to the students and to the faculty. The students are encouraged to participate in the state level, national level and international levels activities, that is the seminar, symposium, paper presentations and so on. Even the faculties, they are encouraged for the research work, and I am happy to say that some of the faculties, in fact, the sponsored research projects are in progress. And we have the MOU with the leading universities in UK, USA and Australia.
Mehsana Urban Institute of Biosciences offers the following full-time master's degree programs in biotechnology, microbiology, bioinformatics, with world-class laboratories installed and required instrumentation facilities. The learning experience is not just limited to the institutes mentioned. With an aim of satisfying the education needs of all the sectors in various educational areas, the university has also the following programs being offered in equally reputed institutes.
I am very thankful to Bioscience Department that they have given us the faculties which is very educated and specialized in their degrees and respective subjects, such as PhD in biochemistry, PhD in biotech and botany, etc.
The geophysics, which is, I think that a few of the colleges and few of the universities are only putting the glance on that part of course, the Ganpati University, especially Bioscience department, have included the geophysics program into our department, and the students who is interested in geophysics or in biochemistry, they are going to get